Welcome to Map My Customers. In this video, we'll learn about how to use the heat map and Lasso tools. These tools can be used in the Accounts, Contacts, or Deals tabs. Let's take a look at how to use this feature on the Contacts tab. Look to the bottom left and click on the tool button. Clicking on the heat map tool will display your contacts through a heat filter showing how many customers are in a certain area. The red regions are the most populated areas, and the green are the least populated areas. When you're done with this tool, simply click the tool button again, and then click Heat Map to display your pins. Next up is the Lasso tool, which is also located within the tool button. The Lasso lets you mass edit multiple pins all at the same time. To use this tool, circle around the entire area you want. Go up to Edit Lassoed Pins, where you can place them in groups, change their color, or even delete them. Click Save when you're done, and you've now successfully used the Heat Map and Lasso tools. Thank you for using Map My Customers, and we hope this tutorial was of help to you.